Okay, people, this is Carla of Learn Without Language and Rayhan's World, and I am here to do another episode. Really not an episode, but another edition of Learn Without Language. And this is a time that we can come together and learn to speak to each other, whether we know the language or not. We can learn by our facial expressions, by our smiles, our laughter, our tears, whatever is going on. We can begin to learn to communicate with each other, whether we speak the language or we don't speak the language. I just spoke to Rafi. He should be on his way and coming. There seems to be a language communication problem with that, but he is on his way, and I assume I am going to be. No, that's not Rafiq. Rafiq, I am not going to wait longer than 10 minutes again. You need to get here. I see interviewala and I see the R and I think immediately it's Rafiq. But it isn't. It's Rahul interviewala who is from India. Rafiq is from Pakistan. Rahul, I'm not sure what city you are from in India. But thank you very much for coming. And you can just call me Carla. I know that in your culture you normally put a suffix or something in front like auntie or ma'am Carla, but I'm more comfortable just being called Carla. Hi Shmuel, how are you? How are you doing? I'm adding you now, Rafiq. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am sorry. How are you?
You're sorry? Why are you sorry? Why are you sorry?
Suna.
Anna. Wait a minute. Say it again.
Chal deda. Astarga.
I don't understand. Debakta.
You basta.
Dubakta. Scarf.
You basta.
Scarf.
Scarf.
Are you good? Are you good? You good?
You good?
You good? Yes, I am good.
You are good.
Yes. Ooh. You have a bad cough.
May tanak ani ate.
Talk.
नहीं
Rafi, get some water for your mom. She is not well today at all.
हाँ
Laugh.
Laugh. बिस्मिल्लाह हुआ है बिस्मिल्लाह
Bismillah.
हाँ बिस्मिल्लाह
Bismillah.
الرحمن الرحيم
Elohim.
لا إله
La ha ha.
لا إله
La la ha.
إلا الله
Illa
हो
ho.
محمد رسول الله
Illa la.
بسم الله
Bismillah.
الرحمن
Ezrama.
الرحيم
Nirahim.
لا إله
La la.
إلا الله
Enlila.
محمد
Muhammad.
رسول الله
Rasulallah.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. हाँ कम भर गई मजेदार
Kitab. Kitab. Book.
किताब
Book.
किताब book
Kitab.
as a book
Ezakuka.
as a book book
Book. Book.
book
Book.
book
Book.
book
Book.
book
Book.
boss
Book.
boss
He doesn't read. Can't do it.
Nah. book boss
Book.
book book
Book.
हाँ किताब
Kitab. Yes. Kitab.
किताब
Yes. Kitab.
अच्छा हाँ 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 छिंदवारा रायगंज छिंदवारा
Really?
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छह दीवार रायगंज
Really now?
हाँ ताजी तो मैं डेट रहूं दे छह दीवार रायगंज
6 days left.
Really? Is that so? How? Let me some light. Light.
Light.
Light. Yes.
Light. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No.
मसला गंदा है ना यसी कर गिंदी है नो यही कर गिंदी है
Really?
हाँ
Are you happy today?
Are you happy? Baisale.
Yes, I am happy. Are you happy?
I'm happy. Are you?
Yes, I am happy. Are
Yes,
you sad?
I'm happy.
Are you sad?
भाजी भाजी क्या आती है
Buddy?
भाजी
Buddy?
हाँ 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 हो अंगलियां अंगलियां
Anglian fingers. Anglian.
अंगलियां पिंगोस
Yes.
हाँ
Hand.
हाँ
Hand.
पिंगोला पिंगोल
Fingers. Yes. Good.
That's a very good.
Very good. Yes.
Very good, yes.
Yes. Very good.
गूंगे तो गूंगा रल गया है अच्छा पता न लगी जी
Lost.
हाँ
Hand lost. Mara, is that Pashto or Urdu? We need Pashto here. Pashto, not
हाथ
Urdu.
हाथ
Yes, Pashto.
हाँ हाथ
Hot Pashto. Yes. Thanks, Mara.
अच्छा हाँ
Totally confused. Hand.
hand
Anglian.
अंगलियां eyes अंगलियां
Anglia.
गुत्ते गुत्ते गुत्ते
Buta?
हाँ गुत्ते
Gute.
दालास अदा गुत्ते दालास अदा गुत्ते
Gute? What is
हाँ
Gute?
दालास ता अदा गुत्ते दी
Gute.
हाँ हो
Happy? Happy. Happy.
लास 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 गुत्ते लास
Gute Allah.
हाँ गुत्ते लास
Gute Allah.
हाँ
Day.
10
What? Say it again.
Sainimaka.
Animaka.
Da lasta da gutedi.
Gutaji.
Ah.
Loss.
Ah,
Loss.
da lasa. Da gutte.
Good hand.
Gutte, gutte.
Gute. What
Ah.
is gute, Sarah?
Rihanna Lavala. Changya musibadi phasa pe hai. Saku phasai pe hai.
Really?
Ah.
Is that so?
Rihanna Lavala kita hai.
Rehana Wawa?
Ah. Ah, certada. Rihanna Lavala certada.
A chair. A
Ah.
chair.
Ah.
Anka, I.
Anka, I, Nasa, Tenako.
Naka, nose.
Nozna, Tenako.
Nose, knuckle.
Noz, Nako, Ako.
Anka, I.
I, Aka.
I, Anka.
I, Anka.
The Bukta.
Ya, Basta.
The Bukta.
Shabasta.
The Bukta, yes.
Shabasta, the yes.
Yes.
Mm. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha.
Laugh. Dubukta.
Shabasta.
Dubukta, yes.
Ha, 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 ha. Ho, 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 ha, ha.
हाँ बेटे
Rayhan is not here.
Ha, ha,
Oh,
ha,
where
ha,
is?
ha, ha.
I don't know. I think in Pakistan. We've done this phase. The Bukta.
Shabasta.
Count.
Ha, 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 ha.
1, 2,
One,
3. 1,
one,
2, 2,
two,
2, 3, 3. Okay, she is frozen and I need to go. Good night. She told me Ungoyan. I am totally confused. I know she doesn't. No, she does understand Dubata. Scarf, right? Dubata, scarf. Okay, guys, I need to go. We're really late. Um, we really need to go. This is, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Thank you, Ghulam.